Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today we're going to show you the Humble Pie Home and Kitchen Box. If you are not familiar with Humble Pie, it is a quarterly box. You have 3 subscription options. The first one is 1 box every 3 months and that's $50 a box. The second option is to get 2 boxes over 6 months, so basically you're just signing up for 2 boxes and that's $40 a box. If you want to sign up for 4 boxes that you'll get over 12 months, that's $37.50 per box. So that is the best deal. That's the one that we did. There are sometimes also coupons for your first subscription that you can use in conjunction with those discounts. So check it out. You won't be sorry. We're very excited to see what's inside this particular Humble Pie Home and Kitchen Box. Before we get into this box, if you haven't yet and you enjoy this kind of content, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notification bell. And as we go through this box, let me know what your favorite items that we see are in here. I would love to know. There are a few cards that come with it that just have some information and some QR codes that you can...
like cooking classes for members.
Yes.
And information about what's in the box. And nice laminated cards too.
Yeah, and on the inside, does it tell you the...
It says... This one is for content recipes, and this one it tells you what each item is and where it came from.
Well, the little card tells you where they were made. We don't have the values of the stuff that's in here, but we're going to break it open. While we're getting into the first things of this box, I have to tell you from the last box that we did, it had a savory cherry and fig jam, savory glaze in a little jar that was in that box. We recently have used it. We made a pork chop. We baked pork chops.
Yeah, baked pork chops.
We baked the pork chops in the oven, and then the last 10 minutes of it, put the glaze on top. My word.
Delicious.
Everybody loved it. I got to find that and buy more of it.
Yes.
All right, so you want to do the first thing?
Uh-huh.
I kind of had a feeling.
A little mini butt pan. Isn't this adorable? From Northern Lights Bakeware since 1946.
Of course, now we have to get a couple more of these so we can make more than one tiny butt pan.
I know, but I've been wanting a big butt pan. So this is, let's see what it says about it. Okay, so this says mini butt pan made by Nordic Ware. So this is a Nordic Ware. So yeah, we're definitely going to have to get like 2 more.
Yeah, maybe
so we
3 more.
We can make individual bundt cakes, but oh my gosh.
Well, it wouldn't be so individual cute. As much.
Oh yeah, it's like,
but still.
If we had at least 2.
That way you can have a party and have 2 or 3 servings out of each
so
cake.
Cute.
Now to go with that, they sent us a Nordic, it's actually a Nordic Ware. It's a cinnamon spice bundt cake mix.
This is coming up to Christmas, so we're going to be doing this soon.
That's cute. And it says just add butter, water, and eggs.
Oh, and then you make a little glaze to go and drizzle over it. I'm going to be.
That sounds amazing.
I'm going to be
you
doing
could throw some apple pieces in with that and make it an apple spice.
Ooh, that would be good.
That would be yummy. What else do we have?
Ideas.
I know.
I don't know what it is, but it's wrapped here.
It's a secret. Oh, it's soap.
So look, cute soap. Oh my gosh, it's handmade soap. It says Sunshine Golden Acres Goat Milk Soap.
Goat milk soap.
Oh, made in Champion, Ohio.
I want to smell it.
So it's kind of like...
It doesn't really have a ton of smell. But look at the top. It's really rustic. You can tell they made it in a big log.
It has a little bit of an herb,
The top is sparkly.
Aromatherapy scent, but not real strong, but... Well, goat milk, so handmade.
Yeah, it's more like a kind of fresh cleansing smell.
Well, that's nice. And I like that it is glittery on top.
Okay, next out is more bubble wrap. There's a lot in here. Ooh, I gotta see what this is.
Ooh, another jar of something.
This is a great box because it's a good mix of things that you can cook with and things that you can cook. So
that you just
the tools
can use, like the soap.
This is a Sydney candle. Oh, it's a candle. Praline. Oh, I can already smell it. It's not even open. Can you smell? This is a praline pecan candle.
Oh, it's perfect for this time of year.
Oh my goodness, smell.
Okay, I'm going to start burning this right away.
So sweet and nutty. This says Sydney Candle Company.
Cortland, Ohio.
Oh, and it says it burns clean, so it shouldn't be a smoky candle.
Oh.
And it's a very nice jar.
It's a really nice, like, mason jar look. Oh, this is going to start being burnt soon, and then we're going to make us more pralines.
There's so much more stuff in here. What? Okay, we have to figure out what this is. Is that an ornament?
I think this is an ornament. It's wrapped up. I'm going to pull it out of the bag and then show you the box again. I'll pull it out of the box.
But I guess the card will say. Let me see.
A cute bundt cake ornament.
that's not the right card. This says it is
It is a bunt cake ornament.
bunt ornament made by Nordic Ware in Minnesota.
Oh my
That's
word.
so
Look
cute.
at the detail, people. Look inside. It still looks like the bunt cake. Oh my gosh.
And the box looks like a package for
And it's like
a bunt box. Oh, that's a nice.
Animal.
The box is like a jewelry box. It's
Yeah.
a really well made box to store it in.
oh, this is so cute. It's going on the tree.
Yes.
It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this box. This was December.
This is fun.
December. This is amazing.
We've actually had this box about a week. We've just been too busy to
Yeah, do
it. This, I don't know what it this
Oh,
feels like. It's going to be a
candle?
candlestick. It's wrapped in newspaper.
I love it because it gives you
Yes.
that rustic home.
The Columbus Dispatch, Tuesday, July 31st, 2018. We got vintage newspaper.
Oh, that's a nice touch.
Yes.
I'm just saying.
Oh, how pretty.
Oh, that'll be pretty sitting with a candle at holiday time with a red or green
What does it
silver
say
gold.
about the candlestick? There's no
Candlestick
stamp or
from
anything on it.
Moser glass made in Ohio.
Ooh. I couldn't tell if it was ceramic or glass. It's heavy, for sure.
It is heavy. That is well made.
But you put one of those taper candlesticks in
Oh,
here.
that's going to be so
Gorgeous.
nice.
And look, you can see that like it's marbly almost. It's so pretty.
Oh my gosh.
That's beautiful.
Oh, this is nice.
There's one more thing.
This is really nice.
This
has
is a
been
great
fun
box. Oh my goodness, what is it? This says it is a measuring jar with a lid from Moser Glass, also from Ohio. Measuring? It's got measures things on the side.
Okay.
It's a measuring
Hold
cup.
on. Let me try to.
That's so cute. I've never seen one like that.
I don't think this is going to pick up. Maybe this way a little bit. Y'all can see.
Oh, and there's measures on both sides.
And there's measures on both sides. And
that's so
it's
cute.
glass. And then you put a little lid on it just so it's a cute display on your counter if you want to leave it out. But it goes up to,
It looks like it's a cup.
yeah, 1 cup. So, and then it has little measurements
That's
down.
cute.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute, y'all. Look at this. It's adorable.
Yes. Oh my goodness, all the stuff in this box. Okay,
I know. So,
We
look,
got
the bunt
the
cake.
bunt cake and the pan.
I know. And then
we
we got
got
the bunt cake ornament.
the
So
bunt
it's
cake
like a whole
ornament
little
with
theme
theme.
here. And then we got the cute glassware measuring cup. And then from the same company, this beautiful candlestick that can be used year round. I mean, it's a beautiful
Yes,
gray.
amazing. Really
color,
nothing in here couldn't be
and
used year round.
Then this amazing candle and this wonderful goat milk.
I'm trying to figure out how many actual things we got. There's 8 things
Yeah.
in this box. And again, we paid the $37.50 per box. How even do they do? And I can tell you just the shipping is actually listed on the box. It cost them $16 and change to ship it. I do not know how they put all of these things, these wonderful, wonderful things in this box for this price.
I know.
This is the best value kitchen box you can have that I found, that I'm aware of. There might be, if you know of a better one, please let me know. But this is the best value kitchen box I have ever seen. Love it.
This was a good
This was
box.
a good one. This was a really great box. We love it. We love good kitchen stuff. We haven't still used the cookie stamps from the last box, but we have plans.
We're getting ready to because
We have
it's
plans.
Christmas time.
Yes.
So
We're going to do that. We just are not in cookie baking mode quite yet. But this was a fun box. I hope you guys enjoyed going through it with us. If you did, please comment below your favorite items that were in this box. If you know of another good kitchen box that we should know about, let me know that as well. But for now, from Beth and Krista, I want to thank you for joining us on Beth Unboxes.
bye.
Bye.